Hi everybody, it's Brad Wood again, and I have a new video in our What's New in CommandBox 5 screencast series. Today I'm going to show you a couple nice new enhancements to globbers. So file globbing is the ability of you to reference multiple files in a directory, possibly recursively, with some basic wildcard. It's not a full-on regular expression format, but allows you to match partial file names, no matter how deep they are in the directories, single characters, multiple characters. And so CommandBox has first-class support for file globbing and has for a while. We've enhanced the underlying globber library, which is the same globber library available to any custom commands that you write, as well as any task runners that you write. So if you're using file globbing, an example of a library where I use it is the code checker CLI library. It's a module you install in CommandBox. And so it used to be you were only allowed to have a single file globbing pattern. And in a lot of cases, you want to have your users be able to specify multiple matching patterns. And so what you can do now when you create your globber in a task runner or a custom command is you can have a comma delimited list of globbing patterns, or you could even provide an array of globbing patterns. So you can have as many patterns as you want. And also on top of that, we've added the ability to have exclude patterns, because oftentimes you have a whole bunch of things you want to include and just a couple things you want to exclude. And you had to do that manually in the past. So now the globbing library has first-class support for exclude patterns, which of course can be a comma delimited list of patterns or can be passed as an array of patterns. So you can start using that today in any of your task runners or custom commands. Just keep in mind, if you have a CommandBox module that you want to have compatibility